early this morning, paggawa natin ng reel, sabi ko sa inyo, meron ako sa inyo papakita na 2019 na Hyundai Accent. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. So what you're seeing right now is a 2019 Hyundai Accent 1.4 manual transmission. But before we dive into what is powering this vehicle, tignan muna natin kung ano ang meron nito sa interior. So, you come inside the car, you're greeted with this fabric seats, manual air conditioning, no infotainment system sadly, but instead you get this 3.8 LCD display with USB. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? This car is a very simple and basic vehicle. Perfect for your daily travel. How about mileage itong sasakyan na to? 40,000 plus. I believe it's 45,000 plus. So, batang-bata pa siya. Okay, so since we're talking about mileage, let's go and dive into what is powering this 2019 Hyundai Accent. Under the hood, you're greeted by a 1.4-liter 4-cylinder 16-valve engine that produces 99, yung iba sabi nila 100 horsepower and 127 Newton meters of torque, mated on a 6-speed manual transmission. So anong ibig sabihin nito? Napakatipid nitong sasakyan na to. Plus, you have a 45-liter tank capacity or gas capacity on this vehicle. Get this, we're only asking 375,000 for this vehicle. That's for cash. And pag cash buyers, yes, medyo mapag-uusapan pa natin yung presyo na yan. How about for financing? For financing, ang computation natin is at 54,000 plus. Subject for approval ng financing company. What does this amount to for your monthly amortization? 12,000 plus for 4 years. So ano pa inaantay nyo? Diba? This is the best daily car that you can have. Simple, efficient, practical, wala masyadong bells and whistles, so alam mong napakatibay nitong sasakyan na to. So ano pa inaantay nyo? Book na kayo ng appointment dito kay Mikotse. Demo ko sa inyo yung sasakyan plus. Ito pa pala. Change oil, PMS, air filter, cabin filter, oil filter, change oil is on us. And we give 1 week warranty for engine, transmission, and air conditioning. So ano pa inaantay nyo? Alright, so kita-kits dito kay Mikotse. My name is John and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!